How do I make stained glass windows is a question I get asked lots of times, so I've made an online course just to answer those questions. Stained Glass Making 101 takes you through the whole process of how to design and make your very own stained glass. From the tools and equipment you'll need through to how to choose the best designs, everything you need from start to finish. It's designed in an inspirational way to help you through the process, and you can watch each tutorial as many times as you like. If you're interested and want to learn more, click the link below this video. If you're unsure what to design, don't worry, I've got you covered. I've custom made a series of specific designs just for this course. They come in PDFs and you can download them and print them off like this and use them as many times as you like. There's a whole range of different designs from simple up to much more complicated. And when you really develop your skills, you can start making windows like these, which are really quite beautiful and complicated stained glass windows. At the end of each lesson, there's the option to ask questions and I will answer your questions. These answers will be available to everyone on the course, so we all develop our understanding together. This course has taken months to put together just for you, with lots of specialist advice and pro tips to help you on your creative journey. I really hope you enjoy the course and look forward to seeing you on it. Bye for now.